That's a very nice shell.
Yes, but it's also too small for me. It used to fit just right, but I've grown.
Oh dear.
We hermit crabs always grow out of our homes. I really need to find a new one.
I'm sure we can help. Why don't we see if we can find a new home for you on your beach?
Oh, yes.
Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling! Let's all squiggle a beach together. We'll need that round line again to squiggle the sun. Ready? Curve round and back to the start again. There! Now a straight line for the beach. And a wavy one for the sea. Why don't you colour your sun in yellow and squiggle some lovely blue sky too?
Oh, nice beach. But I can't see anything I'd like to live in.
There must be something. Oh, hello, little seal. I like your armbands.
Me too.
Oh, thanks. But I don't need them anymore. I've passed all my swimming tests, so I can swim without them now.
Congratulations.
Yes! Hey, Herman, those armbands have an inside, just like your shell.
Well, if you'd like one, go ahead. I'm off for a swim.
Bye! Why don't you try one on, Herman?
Oh, I don't want everyone to see me getting changed.
Have you got your shell off yet, Herman? That looks great!
Really? It's such a comfortable fit too. Much more roomy than my old shell. You just need to shift it a little bit.
Careful, Herman. Your claws are quite sharp.
Everyone can see my pants.
Come on, maybe we can find something else for you to live in. Wow, look! Nothing but sun and sand. It's beautiful.
Yes, but I still need somewhere new to live. And you can't live in sand, can you?
Maybe you can. If you live in a sand castle.
A sand castle?
Yes, and we can squiggle one for you. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling! Let's all squiggle a sandcastle together. We can start with the top. We'll need our round line again. Ready? Curve round and back to the start. Great! Now we need straight lines for the sides. 1, 2. And a curved line at the bottom. A big curve for our door. And a little pole on top for our flag. That's a triangle. There, it's done. Why don't you colour your sandcastle in? I'm going to make mine yellow. What colour are you going to make yours? There we are. One lovely sandcastle.
Thanks, everyone. Oh, yes. This is wonderful.
Don't worry, Salma. Let's see if we can get a clue from the Squiggle Pad. Can you spot a way Salma could join in the football game? Here's a football game. He shoots. Well saved, goalie. something Selma could do in the football game?
I could be in goal.
Yes, every team needs a goalie, Selma, to stop the ball going in the net.
Hi, Squiglet. Hi, Selma.
We're off to the big football match.
Who is the goalie in your team?
No one ever wants to be in goal.
I do. I'll be in goal.
You?
Yes! Just think of all the catching and saving Selma could do with her 8 legs.
Hey, fantastic.
Welcome to the team.
Squiglet, I'm on the team. I'm the goalie.
Great! All you need now is a goal. And we can squiggle one for you. Have you got your Squiggle Pads and Squiggle Sticks ready? Let's get squiggling! Let's all squiggle a goalpost. We'll need some more straight lines. Ready? Up. Across. And down. Let's squiggle one more of those underneath to finish the goalpost. Up, across, and down. Good. I'm going to make my goalpost red. What colour are you going to make yours? There, one goalpost.
Oh, thanks, everyone.
Come on, Selma. It's match time.
Wait for me! Selma! We forgot to squiggle you a net to go in your goal.
That's okay, Squiglet. Watch.
One sand penguin.
It looks great.
Yes, but I need to cool down again.
I think you do. Let's see if we can get a clue from the Squiggle Pad. Can you spot something to help cool Steve down? Mum's pouring juice into the plastic mould. Orange juice. And blackcurrant juice. In go the wooden sticks. They're making ice lollies. Pop them into the freezer. And they've come out frozen. An icy cool treat for a hot day. Did you spot something to help cool Steve down?
Oh, yes! Ice lollies! I love them. I really miss the cool, refreshing ice.
Would you like an ice lolly?
Oh, yes, please. I'm sure that would cool me down.
Then we can squiggle one for you. Have you got your Squiggle Pads and Squiggle Sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's all squiggle a delicious ice lolly. We'll need our curved line again. Go up, up, and curve over the top. Then down the other side. We need a line across the bottom. That's the ice lolly part. We just need the stick. 2 straight lines down. And let's join them up with a curved line. There! 1 ice lolly. Why don't we colour it in? What flavour would you like? I'm going to make mine a strawberry one. Finished! 1 delicious strawberry ice lolly!
Wow! Thanks, everyone. I feel cooler already. Here is Ben the Badger's healthy snack bar.
Come on now, Ben.
What'll you be having today, Sam Squirrel?
A pack of nutty nibbles, please, Ben Badger.
Roshni Rabbit, Barbara Birdie?
An acorn slice, please.
And a berry bar, please.
Here we go.
What's wrong with this, Spike? They're lovely, healthy snacks, that's all.
Oh, they might be healthy, but they're also untidy. Watch.
Oh dear.
I'd better get tidying. I should be finished in a few weeks.
There must be a way you can tidy up quicker, Spike.
Oh.
How about a broom?
I've been crunching and munching all day, but I'm still hungry for some lettuce leaves. Oops, excuse me, that's my tummy rumbling.
I don't have any lettuce leaves, but we could squiggle some for you if you like.
Oh, yes, please. My garden's full of lettuces.
OK, Arthur. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. We can all squiggle a lettuce leaf. Remember that bumpy line we used earlier? We'll need another one. Ready? Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. That's the top of our lettuce leaf. Then 2 lines for the side. 1, 2, and 1 for the bottom. And some straight lines in the middle. I'm going to make mine green. What colour are you going to make yours? There! 1 lovely lettuce.
Oh, thanks, everyone.
Holiday, here I come.
Where are you going?
To the seaside. I've never been before.
Well, come on then. Let's go!
Yay! I'm on holiday at the seaside. Oh, the sand's so sandy. Not like snow at all. Oh, and the sun's so sunny.
Don't forget your sun cream.
Oh, yes. Right. So, what exactly are you supposed to do on holiday at the seaside? I can answer that. I'm a crab and I live here, so I know all about the seaside.
Thanks, Mr. Crab.
I recommend that you play beach ball, build a sandcastle, and go for a paddle in the sea. Wow, that's loads of things. Oh, come on, Squiglet, play beach ball with me.
I'd love to, Steve, but the sun's very hot. You should be careful. You're made of snow, and snow starts to melt in the sun.
Oh, phew. It is a bit hot. Oh, I don't want to melt, but I don't want to go home either. Oh, how can I play in the sun and stay cool?
I know. We could squiggle you a sun hat. That'll shade you and keep you cool. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's start with the top of the hat. We can use our curved line again. Up, curve, over, and down the other side. Now we need another curved line at the bottom of the hat to make a shady brim. 1 sun hat. I'm going to colour mine yellow. What colour are you going to make yours? Our sun hat is ready to wear.
Oh, thanks, everyone. I feel cooler already. But what were the other 2 things we were going to do? Build a sandcastle.
And go for a paddle in the sea.
Oh, yes. Now I remember. I'm going to build a sand penguin instead of a sand castle.
You look like you're having fun.
Phew, it's hot work. Oh, but now it's finished. One sand penguin.
It looks great.
Yes, but I need to cool down again. Oh, thanks, everyone.
Now you can just sweep everything up, Spike.
Oh, yes. I'll have this park tidy in no time. Oh, no. Not the wind again. Oh. That's too windy for me.
Whoa! Spike's curled up into a ball. That's what hedgehogs do when they're worried. Spike, are you okay? Oh! Oh! Look out, Spike! Wait, we'd better go after him. Hello, everyone. Have you seen Spike, the park keeper? No, I haven't seen him anywhere. But, would you like a nutty nibble? Is he a monster? It's Spike.
Oh, I've been all over the park. Oh, I'd better tidy up again.
Where did all this mess come from?
Well, you lot actually. Every time you drop your snack wrappers on the ground, the wind blows them all over the park.
Then Spike has to pick them up. It's his job to keep the park tidy. We're really sorry, Spike. It's just that we didn't know where to put our wrappers.
Well, never mind. Back to work.
Poor Spike. It'll take ages to clear up this mess.
Don't worry. Let's see if we can get a clue from the Squiggle Pad. Can you help us find a way of keeping the park tidy for Spike? What a lovely picnic! Yummy! A tasty banana. There's lots of rubbish. She's putting it in the bin. Some paper. And some orange peel. The children are doing a great job of tidying up.
Did you spot where the children put their rubbish? Oh, those children put their mess in a bin. We could do that.
You could if there was a bin in this park, but there isn't.
But Spike, we can squiggle you a bin. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's all squiggle a beautiful bin. One that everyone will see. We'll squiggle the shape of the bin first.
Ready? 2 sloping straight lines, like this, for the sides. Then one across the top, and another across the bottom. There. Now remember the zigzag line? We can use it again to make a beautiful pattern. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, zag. And 2 lines at the top and the bottom. There. I'm making my bin red and blue. What colour are you going to make yours? One extra special park bin.
Oh, yes! That's a beautiful bin.
I can't wait to put my rubbish in it. Well, there's certainly plenty of rubbish around.
Do you really want to help me?
Of course.
I'll get the first bit of rubbish.
And I'll get the second.
They're fast, aren't they, Spike? This part will be tidy in no time.
You can have a rest if you want, Spike.
A rest? Well, I suppose so. But with such a beautiful bin and so many new friends to help me, I feel like collecting some rubbish myself. Let's get park keeping. Thanks, everyone. Now I really can go to the party.
Of course you can. But I wonder where it is.
It'll be where all dogs like to play, in the park.
Let's go!
Oh, Squiglet, this looks like the place for a fantastic party.
Look at all those balloons. And there's cake and jelly too.
Surprise! Ooh. It's a party for our best friend.
And that's you.
It's a surprise party. So that's why you didn't know about it, Boris. Yes, and we bought you presents.
All these are really for me. This is the best party ever.
Hooray!
Here's a bird now, Sandy. A crow. Hello? My name's Squiglet.
Hello, Squiglet. I'm Katie. This corn's delicious.
Hey, you can't eat that. I'm going to give you my very best scare. Boo!
Oh, my. There was no need for that.
Oh, sorry, but I can't let you eat that corn.
Never mind. This bit's just as tasty.
Oh, no. I gave her my best scare, and she's still eating the farmer's corn.
Maybe she's hungry. And I've got an idea. We can squiggle you a telescope. Do you know what a telescope is? You look through it to see things that are far away.
Oh, that sounds good.
Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's all squiggle a telescope. We'll need our round line again. Are you ready? Round and round and round. There. We need 3 rectangles to make the rest of the telescope, each one smaller than the other. 1, 2, 3. Let's colour it in. I'm going to make mine blue. What colour are you going to make yours? There, our telescope.
Thanks, everyone.
What can you see, Sonny? Have a look with him.
There's a crater, a curly tree, a rock. Oh!
Did you see something, Sonny? Did you?
Yes, behind the rock. There! Did you see it?
Yes!
We found someone! A friend for me to play with! Hello? Hello?
Hello, little alien. Oh, I think she must be shy.
It's okay, little alien. Why don't you come and play? Aw, how are we going to be friends if she won't even come out and say hello?
Don't worry, Sonny. Let's see if we can get a clue from the Squiggle Pad. Can you spot a game they can play together? There's Leona and Adam with their mums. Adam's
got a red and yellow ball. What are they doing? They're throwing the ball to each other. They're playing cat. Cat! It looks like fun. What a great game! Did you spot the ball they were playing with?
I love ball games, but I don't have a ball.
We can help with that. Let's scribble Sonny a ball. Then he can play with his new friend. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Remember our round line? We'll need it again. Ready? Round and round and round. Into a circle. That's the shape of a ball. How about decorating your ball with some more round shapes? Like this. I'm going to colour mine in green. What colour are you going to make yours? There, finished. Catch, Sonny.
Oh, thanks, everyone. But I'm still playing on my own.
Well, why don't you see if the little alien would like to play too?
OK. Here goes. Little alien, catch. Hey, she caught it.
Maybe your new friend was lonely too, Sonny.
Not anymore. Now we're friends. Hooray! And we can visit lots of other planets in my spaceship to make friends with anyone else who's lonely.
Oh, maybe Katie the Crow would like jelly too. Farmer Corncob, could we have some of yours?
That was delicious.
Oh, now how am I going to see if Katie would like jelly more than corn if there's none left?
Easy. We can squiggle you a wobbly jelly. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. First, we'll need a dish to put our jelly on. We can use another straight line for that. Ready? Across, across, across. That's the top of the dish. Then a curved line underneath. Down, curve round, and up. 2 straight lines up for the sides of the jelly. 1, 2. And a wobbly line to join them up. Wobble up and down, up and down, up and down. And last of all, some straight lines to make a pattern. There, one wobbly jelly. What flavour is yours going to be? I'm going to make mine red for strawberry. But you could do blue for blueberry, or yellow for lemon, or even black for blackberry.
Oh, thanks, everyone. It looks really tasty.
Ready for duty. Have you found me treasure yet?
No, Captain.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Perhaps you left it on that desert island.
Course I did. Oh, thank you, Squiglet. Ha ha! Let's set sail, shipmates.
Now that's what I call wind. Well, here we are on the desert island.
Dig, dig, dig.
Aye, Cackles, you clever bird. We need to dig, 'cause my treasure's buried.
Where did you bury it, Longbeard?
Oh, I can't remember.
I suppose you'll just have to keep digging till you find it.
Good idea. Digging's what moles do best. Aye, aye, Captain.
Have you found anything?
Phew, no. Boo-hoo-hoo. We might find it quicker if Wiggle Trunk helped me dig.
But my feet are the wrong shape for digging.
What if we Squiggle Wiggle Trunk something to dig with? Have you got your Squiggle Pads and Squiggle Sticks ready? Let's get squiggling! Let's all squiggle a spade. We can start with a square. We'll use our straight lines.
Ready? Across, down, across, and up. That's the digging part. Our spade needs a handle. 2 long straight lines going up. 1, 2. And some more straight lines across the top. Across, down, across, and up. There's our spade. I'm going to make mine red. What colour are you going to make yours? Our spade is ready.
Thanks, everyone.
Aye, now get digging, Wiggle Trunk.
Aye, Captain.
Found anything yet?
No!
Oh, Squiglet. Oh, what if I never finds it? Boo-hoo-hoo.
Thanks, everyone. Now I really can go to the party.
Of course you can. But I wonder where it is.
It'll be where all dogs like to play, in the park.
Let's go!
Oh, Squiglet, this looks like the place for a fantastic party.
Look at all those balloons. And there's cake and jelly too.
Surprise! Ooh. It's a party for our best friend.
And that's you.
It's a surprise party. So that's why you didn't know about it, Boris. Yes, and we bought you presents.
All these are really for me. This is the best party ever.
Hooray!
Ready? 2 long straight lines going up the middle. Up, up, up. And again. Up, up, up. Now we can use 2 straight lines to make the base. Join them up. And 2 more to make it steady. Now 2 straight lines for the top. And join them together. There! 1 bird table for Katie.
All it needs now is a tasty treat. Let's squiggle an apple. A round line for that. And a little stalk.
Why don't you colour your bird table in? I'm going to make my bird table brown with a green apple. There, finished.
Oh, thanks, everyone.
Come on, let's go and put it in the farmer's garden.
Oh, I hope Katie will like this apple.
We'll soon find out. Here she comes.
Ah! Oh, what a lovely bird table. And look at the size of that apple.
You do like apples, don't you?
Like them? I love them. Apples are my favourite. Oh, yes, delicious.
delicious. Much nicer than corn.
She likes apples more than corn.
Now you won't have to scare her anymore either.
Oh, it's much more fun feeding the birds than scaring them.
Yum, yum.
Oh, it's almost time for Horace to come to dinner. And I'm still laughing. He's so serious. What am I going to do?
Don't worry, Harry. Let's see if we can get a clue from the Squiggle Pad. Can you spot something to help Harry stop laughing? This is Remy. He's helping his mum make dinner. He's peeling an onion. Take all the skin off. What's wrong with Mum? Oh, the chopped onion's making Mum's eyes water. Dry your eyes. That's better. Onions make you cry. Did you spot the onions? Peeling onions makes you sniffle and cry.
Yes, and when you're sniffling and crying, you can't laugh.
Exactly. Peeling onions will stop you laughing.
I've just remembered something. Horace really likes cheese and onion tart.
Brilliant. You can make him one for dinner.
Yes! Oh, except I haven't got any onions.
No problem. We can squiggle you one. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. We'll need another curved line for our onion. Ready? One that curves down, round to the bottom, and up the other side. It needs some little lines at the bottom to make the root. And some curved lines inside. I'm going to colour my onion yellow. What colour are you going to make yours? A lovely onion. Perfect for a cheese and onion tart.
Thanks, everyone. I'd better get home and start cooking. Horace will be there any minute.
OK, let's go. Your cheese and onion tart looks good so far.
Yes, I just need the onion. Oh, I hope this works.
I think it's doing the trick.
This is wonderful.
Hello, it's Horace. I'm here. I say, Harry, what on earth's the matter? You're not your usual cheerful self.
No, but you're so serious. I didn't think you'd want me laughing all the time.
I spend all day with serious old warthogs. That's why I like visiting you. Your laughing cheers me up.
Now that's funny.
Oh, yes. I suppose it is.
Let's all squiggle a giant cake. Remember that bumpy line? We can squiggle another one for the icing. Ready? Up and down, up and down, and all the way over the top to make a big curve. That's the icing on our cake. Good. We need some straight lines for the rest of the cake. 2 for the sides. And 1 for the bottom. Last of all, let's put a round cherry on the top. What colour is your icing going to be? You can colour it in while I squiggle the rest of the food. There, doesn't it look delicious? Oh, thanks everyone. The children will love this.
Here they come. I better hide.
Hello there. I'm Squiglet.
Hello, Squiglet. Oh, look! A picnic! And everything's huge! Oh, this apple's as big as my head! And this jelly's like a bouncy castle! These buns are as big as cushions!
But much tastier.
I wonder who left it all here.
It was a present from me. Wait, Hyacinth only wanted to have a picnic with you.
Hi, Patricia.
I love your hat.
You look great.
Thanks. I didn't think those two would be very far away.
We really missed you, Patricia.
Our games weren't the same without you.
Oh, really? So, who's for a race then? This looks like a game that penguins are good at.
Hey, Squiglet.
Can you give us a push?
Of course.
Oh, it's almost time for Horace to come to dinner. And I'm still laughing. He's so serious. What am I going to do?
Don't worry, Harry. Let's see if we can get a clue from the Squiggle Pad. Can you spot something to help Harry stop laughing? This is Remy. He's helping his mum make dinner. He's peeling an onion. Take all the skin off. What's wrong with Mum? Oh, the chopped onion's making Mum's eyes water. Dry your eyes. That's better. Onions make you cry. Did you spot the onions? Peeling onions makes you sniffle and cry.
Yes, and when you're sniffling and crying, you can't laugh.
Exactly. Peeling onions will stop you laughing.
I've just remembered something. Horace really likes cheese and onion tart.
Brilliant. You can make him one for dinner.
Yes! Oh, except I haven't got any onions.
No problem. We can squiggle you one. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. We'll need another curved line for our onion. Ready? One that curves down, round to the bottom, and up the other side. It needs some little lines at the bottom to make the roots. And some curved lines inside. I'm going to colour my onion yellow. What colour are you going to make yours? A lovely onion. Perfect for a cheese and onion tart.
Thanks, everyone. I'd better get home and start cooking. Horace will be there any minute.
OK, let's go. Your cheese and onion tart looks good so far.
Yes, I just need the onion. Oh, I hope this works.